final positions is on profits. As you can see, guys, it's very easy. I can see you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roland, and this is a real trading on a binary options. Of course, don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions, and share this video with your friends so you all will be millionaires. Let's start. So we are on the broker. I'm trying to say that on my balance you can see now $100, and it is from this amount that we will accelerate our deposit today. Today we have a double RSI is our main oscillator today. The Bollinger Bands, here's the settings. For Bollinger Bands we set the period to 13 deviation to 2, and to RSI we will have two different periods. The first RSI will have period 5 and the second period of 10. Today we will determine the local high and low, that is our maximum and minimum points, yeah, and we will monitor the areas of oversold and overbought, which we have 70 and 30 on both RSI. As I progress in my trading, you will understand this strategy correctly, as always I wish. So let's get started and select our first currency pair for today's session, and let's analyze the market. Right, so let me just finish it. Okay, here we will open long position. As you can see, good point of contact. I could say all the principles of entering this trade have been followed. Plus we have a generally good point of contact here. As I said, we will mark these points of movement, and also let's highlight the fact that our moving oscillator crossed the oversold area, and therefore our further exit should be upward, especially after a strong pullback downwards. Now with upward dynamics, I still think that our movement should go up. We have about 22 seconds left, so let's watch the result of the first transaction, of the first position, and we are in the profits, guys. Congrats, first position is in profit. So we have discussed the principle of opening a trade for long. When you see such movement option, then open a long position, guys. In 85% of cases there should be a rollback and our deal should be closed. So well done. Let's continue. I updated amount. Don't forget to do those things because sometimes I forget about it. So yeah, don't repeat my mistakes. Let's open here short position. Earlier we received a signal here, but we didn't have time to enter the trade, so I was waiting for the most suitable entry, right? And we actually saw it. This is a very good point. So now point of touch, we open against the trend for rollback of the dynamics. Highlight the trend lines we have previously. The pullbacks has had quite a good force, and we see that their dynamics were also quite strong. Then we saw an exit from the overbought area and then rebound from this area according to our oscillator, and also touching the upper moving average of our Bollinger Bands. So which is why in this case the trade is open for a fall. So let's look at the result. And the second deal is on profit too. We have a good opening level at the end of the candle. I assumed that a rollback was supposed to happen. It happened, yeah, and we also closed the deal with a plus. So let's select the next currency pair and continue our trading. Okay, let's open immediately here long position. A good point of contact. I want to say perhaps we should have opened a little earlier, a little later, wait for the downward dynamics, but I think the rollback should happen for us. Firstly, for us, very strong downward dynamics. The touch point was broken, that is our support area. A new price low was formed, and the lower band of our channel indicator was touched. Also, Further, we will mark the exit from the oversold area for both oscillators, which is why in this case I will open trade against the upward trend. Let's look at the results. Now we have about 15 seconds left, and yep, we're in the profits. Congrats. Let's change the amount. As you can see, guys, we can open against the trend using this strategy. In such cases, you can easily repeat my signal and open trades. Now, for long, when you see the breakout of the support area and the formation of the local minimum, in general, we will also always see the exit from the oversold area. So this signal is really good. But let's select the next currency pair. We're not stopping, we're just started. So let's continue. I want to make a few $1,000s. Okay, here, short position. Now open again against the trend. I will demonstrate to you that this strategy can afford to open trades both with the trend and against the trend. We will highlight the workspace. The entry principle is absolutely the same as in the previous deal. We also see a breakout only in our case of the resistance area, the formation of the local maximum touching the upper Bollinger Band, and I think the dynamics of the movement should go down for us here. Now I will also expect an exit from the overbought area, and here I will expect a rebound from the same overbought area. So which is why in our case here the transaction is open against the downward trend, guys. So 7 seconds, let's just wait. Nice, another position. We have more than $1,000. Position is closed easily. Let's select the next currency pair. Don't forget about the amount, right? Let's put 587 and open 2 transactions for this amount for each. I'm not shocked. Okay, let's just analyze. For example, here 2 trades for fall. We have a good point of contact here. We will highlight the working space. In general, yeah, we need to mark the resistance area here. We have a point of contact, then touch the top, the bands of our channel indicator, and also the exit from the overbought area. In our case, with every side with a period of 5, everything is very simple. There are more flat dynamics here. This strategy also works well when trading on the flat dynamics. This is very universal strategy. You can trade on the trend, against the trend, and on the flat dynamics. So learn it and show your friends. Nice. Let's change the amount. Let's put down $1,000 and let's open 2 trades in amount of 2,000, of course. Now I can't open trades with a trend since it doesn't allow, right, the dynamics of the chart. But in general, I have previously carried out an analysis of the currency pair and I'm ready for this. So today in the analysis you will see exactly this strategy rather than some trending one. So as I said, strategy is more universal. And in general, I think that you understand the principle of its operation. So let's open maybe 2-4 more transactions to consolidate the result. For example, here 2 positions goes in for a long, an excellent point of contact. We had a very strong pullback, but our trend is upward. Therefore, after such strong pullback, the dynamics of our movement, it should go up, especially since we are touching the lower Bollinger Band after this rollback, which means our dynamics should go up, and then we should see a way out of the reversal area. Also here, yeah, and here we have some kind of rebound from this area, so here it's better to open trade for increase for a long. That's what we did. Let's look at the result of our transactions. We're in the profits again. wow, what am I doing? I'm doing money, right? So as you can see, very easy. This is the principle of opening trades and the direction of the trend. Here is our signal. The accuracy of our signal increases the trend, so it's always more pleasant and safer to follow the trend. Open with the trend, and you can use this strategy. You can use this trading option when opening a bullish signal, a bullish trade, I mean. But to consolidate the results, I want to open 3 final positions. So let's move on. Let's see. And 3 lying positions goes in. Flat dynamics predominate here, but we have already opened a trade using the same principle. Let's select the working area and I'll explain the entry point. Here, in my opinion, we have had a slight breakout of our support zone. A new local minimum has formed, touching below the channel indicator band, so our dynamic should go up. We're also observing a reversal of the moving averages and a rebound from the oversold area in our case. So it would be better to open the longs, and let's just watch. Nice. Our final positions is on profits. As you can see, guys, it's very easy, very good training session for today. We are open trades according to almost the same principle, I could say. There is nothing complicated. The most important thing is monitor the oversold and overbought areas, follow the trend, and look for your touch points in the range of the upper moving average and lower moving average of the channel indicator. So let's move to the withdrawal, choosing wallets. 6,600 goes in. Continue button, and we did it. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget about your likes, comments, subscriptions on YouTube and on Telegram channel. Share with your friends, maybe they're waiting for it. So thank you for watching again. Have a good market. Text me, use my signals. I will wait for you.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.